So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy fixed income on RBC Direct Investing. So once RBC is opened up, which I have right now, I just want you to scroll down for this demonstration and just go to where it says feature right here. We can go ahead and actually select on learn more to figure out which fixed income you can invest in that actually would save you some money in regards to commissions. So once you're actually brought to this page right here under fixed income, so under asset class, go ahead and press on fixed income. You can actually scroll down and view a bunch of different fixed income that you can purchase commission free. Now you can also purchase stuff that isn't commission free, but for this demonstration, we'll just go ahead and select this one at the top, XBB. So once you're back into the app, just go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on place order. Once you're here at the top, we'll go ahead and search up, as I mentioned before, XBB, because we're looking to buy fixed income, and then we'll go ahead and select it. So once you're here at the top, go ahead to where it says account and then select the investment account which you want to buy fixed income in. Once that is selected, you can go to the bottom to where it says action and go ahead and select buy or sell. Because we are buying, I will go ahead and select buy. Once the action is selected, you can go to order type right here and select market, limit, or stop limit if you want. You can also type in the quantity, and then below it'll show you the commission as well as the total, and if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press continue, and then proceed this way with the transaction. So that is how to buy fixed income on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.